So we got a bug ticket saying that our price on the footer is not updated, and so we look into it. And then we realize that if you update the sticky element content and its position at the same time, the content will be not updated. Shall we just show the code?
Shall we go to the code? Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, so to replicate this issue, we have a very simple React component, has a state, and initially the value is null, and then after 1 second after component did mount, we set it to an object. And on the UI side, we show 0 when the initial value is null, and then we show up the full value. But one thing to be noted is that on the UI side, we have a very tall element that only shows up when the value is set, and also a position sticky element that is the sticky footer that has the value, right? So the expected result is when it shows up after 1 second, there is the footer that is originally on the top of the screen will be updated on the bottom since it's sticky, and then the content of the element, the footer, is going to be updated to 1. But in Safari, let's go to the demo here. Yeah, so if I refresh, you have a 0, and then the state is updated, but the content here is still 0 until you make a scroll to the bottom, and then there is 1. So
you mentioned the DOM is already 1.
Yeah, so when I get the reference from the React on the footer element and I log down the node.inner HTML, it's gonna be 1 in the console, but still 0 on the screen.
Oh.
And when I try to update the style from original style to, let's say, transform, translate 3D 000, and then it's gonna be 1 updated. Yeah, right when I set the style.
Okay. So before we go into more details of how to replicate this, without revealing our company secret, can you tell us what is the situation and how, what is the situation that we're actually facing this, and how critical it is that it affects our business?
Okay, so the bug tickets is about checkout page, our checkout page.
Right.
Since I'm working on checkout.
Can go to Shopee SG and try a checkout page.
Yes.
Buy something.
Yes. Okay, if you're trying to check out for more than one item, it's likely that your page is gonna be like taller than 1 fold, right? And then our footer that has the place order button and the total price, the subtotal, is gonna be updated to basically it's a sticky element. And it's gonna be like a sticky to the screen on the bottom. And then we only show the shop orders when we after we fetch the data, right? And also the subtotal. So the bug ticket says when we show the items, the price is not there. It's still 0.
Oh.
Yes. So it looks like you are buying stuff for free, but actually it's not.
Oh, that is important.
Yes.
We're gonna lose a lot of money if people are checking out with 0.
No, we don't lose money actually, but we might get complaints like,
Alright.
yeah, I'm buying free stuff, why do you charge me?
Alright, okay. Yeah, okay, so how do we replicate this, to be precise? I know we can replicate this one here on my machine.
So yeah, there are actually a couple of criteria that you need to hit before you replicate the bug. Firstly, setTimeout is very important. I'm putting setTimeout here is to simulate a response to API response, like HTTP API response.
Okay.
It's kind of like we fire up an API call and then we get a response and then we update the DOM. This is to simulate that. But if, let's say, we remove the setTimeout here, it will be updated as expected.
Oh.
Yes, the bug is gone. Another thing is, if let's say the very tall element is always there, then that sticky element's content is going to be updated. The bug is gone. So this bug only happens when you put a very tall element at the same time when you update the content, and then the content will be like stale, not updated. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
That
So
it's quite a complex situation.
yes. So based on that, our fix is to basically put a callback for component did update, and then realize, oh, it's updated. Then we should set a special style to the footer element. Basically setting transition, transform, translate 3D 000, just to let the content flush in.
Oh, I wonder how our PR found out about this.
No, it's QA.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, actually the bug has been there for like, I don't know, at least half a year.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So it sounds like a browser bug for me. And is there anything we can do to like help to get this fixed?
Yes, I'm trying to file a WebKit bug ticket, but still I'm trying very hard to remove React from the story. But so far I haven't managed to do that because my vanilla.js version of this demo does not replicate the bug. I'm
So
still
it's
normal? Yeah, so it's
Oh.
normal. So I'm still trying to see how React DOM actually respond to this setState and update the DOM and write a vanilla.js equivalent of this demo.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still trying that.
Then are we sure that it's not a React issue?
We're not sure yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see.
But
Interesting.
yeah, but still, when I get the reference on this footer, the DOM reference, and try to debug it in the console, the HTML content, the inner HTML is already 1, but on the screen it's still 0.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we might actually post this, broadcast this bug, and we're not sure where this is going yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. Thanks for sharing this. This is really interesting. RK love this kind of exploration. Okay, so